Hello, my name is Ron Thompson with CAIL, and this video is about modernizing information services. And as you will see, there's the option of improving non-stop information services or modernizing all information services with all platforms. Okay, in the first slide on modernizing systems, this is all about having non-stop more integral in the enterprise with client-centric solutions. Why we're modernizing information services. And there are two main aspects to this, an IT consideration and from a business perspective. So in section 1, the IT considerations pertain to respecting the direction to standardization, improving system security, realizing more value from information, the move towards Windows 7, the increasing importance of mobile devices, the increasing collaboration between IT groups and IT and the business folks. And lastly, the technological coexistence that's occurring more and more. And secondly is, on the business front, is getting the right data to the right people at the right time to increase efficiency and productivity of the personnel, provide business advantage, and encourage business innovation. On this slide, we're talking about the advantages of client solutions. And this is either with a focus on non-stop or for an enterprise solution that includes non-stop with the other platforms. So the main advantages with client-centric solutions are that you can produce results quickly, including business what-if scenarios. Secondly is you realize significant savings, which creates a fast ROI, major productivity improvements with the personnel, and a reduction in support demands. Thirdly is there's no risk because we're not changing IT infrastructure and we're making it easier to evolve systems. Fourthly is we're facilitating collaboration and communications between the various groups in the organization. And fifthly is we're positioning non-stop as part of the corporate standard and more integral in the enterprise. So this display and the following displays provide examples of how folks are modernizing. So this is the presentation level, and this is a text-style display with various fields on it, and all the information on this screen can be from one system, but usually it's from different systems. So non-stop, mainframe, mid-range, Unix, and so forth. The next example is a web page, much like before, with different fields, different systems being involved, only this is more graphical. Okay, in this example of a dashboard, again you've got the different presentation style, but again you've got the different systems involved, different reports being issued, and so forth. So here we have the case studies. So here's where CAIL has been involved to improve non-stop information services by simplifying systems, providing a single view for the user, having faster service response time, improving system security, having better disaster recovery capabilities, automating processes, having CAIL included in partnering solutions, and providing mobile support. Moving on, in section 2, this is where we move into the enterprise with Reflection or Extra, which is the integrated attachmate CAIL software which works with all platforms. And the idea here is you can now modernize with all or selected information. So, in conclusion, but why modernizing information services with CAIL? The number one reason is to deliver results fast. And this is important to meet user expectations. And as this chart shows, the objective is to be in the green area, which means that you're giving them what they want quickly. If it goes a bit longer, then it gets into the realm of reason, which is the amber area. Or if it gets too long, now you're into the brown area. And that just is an issue for everybody. Okay, so the other aspect of modernizing with CAIL is about reducing risk and saving dollars. And this is the core CAIL value proposition. So again, the objective is to reduce risk and get results quickly, as indicated in the green section on the display. If things go a bit longer, you're into the medium risk category, and that's usually still okay. However, if the risk is high and the time is getting too far along, then there are just simply issues that are awkward for everybody. So again, the objective is to get results quickly and be in the green quadrant. Okay, so the final slide is about the next steps. So where the focus is nonstop, then we'd suggest you evaluate CAIL to check out your options to move systems forward. If it's an enterprise initiative, then we'd suggest checking out Reflection or Extra, which is the integrated attachment CAIL software to modernize all information services, including nonstop. For more information, please visit CAIL.com or call the numbers below. So as we have seen in these slides, there are a number of interesting options to move systems forward, and we welcome your inquiries at CAIL. Thank you.